Hello student, today we are going to learn Cochran Boiler. Cochran Boiler, it is a multi-tubular internal fire inside the cell, vertical fire tube, natural circulation boiler. They are used chimney, not fan, having a number of fire tubes. Fire tubes means flue gas inside the tube. Now, this is the AP as pit. As pit is a chamber provided below the gate to catch the ash from the fire above. This is the gate. This is the gate, G gate. It is a platform in the combustion chamber upon which fuel is burned. Fuel may be coal or wood. This is BOC, blow of cock, to remove scale and impurities from the boiler. This is the furnace. This is dome shape. It is the space above the gate and below the boiler cell, in which the fuel is actually burned. Okay, this is the FT. FT means flue tube, in which hot gases produced by the combustion of fuel in the furnace while on their way to chimney passes through a number of tubes. Okay, this is the boiler cell. This is boiler cell, cylindrical cell, CS, cylindrical cell. It is boiler cell. It is made up of steel plate bent into cylindrical form and riveted weld together. Now, this is the FH fire hole. The small hole is provided at the bottom of the combustion chamber. This is FH fire hole. Now CC, this is CC. CC means combustion chamber. Now this is the F FBL, fire big lining, the wall, this is the wall of combustion chamber CC is lined with fire big to build fire resistance structure, thereby reduce the damage of the structure against fire accident. This is insulated material. Okay. Now this is the FLG. FLG means water level gauge or water level indicator. This is water level gauge or water level indicator to check the water level in the boiler. This is this point, this is FP, fusible plug, this point, to stop fire when water level in the boiler is lower than safety level. When water level fall below the safety level, fusible plug automatically open. There is a soft material. Okay. Now this is the MH. MH means manhole. A manhole allow access to the boiler for cleaning purpose and repair. Okay. Now this is PG. PG means pressure gauge, steam pressure gauge, to read the steam pressure inside the boiler. Okay. This is SV. SV means safety valve, to release excess pressure of the steam in the boiler. Okay. Now this is the SSV. SSV means steam stop valve, to stop or allow the flow of steam from boiler to the turbine or steam engine. Okay. This is the APP. APP means anti-priming pipe. Function of this pipe, it separate water particle from steam and to collect the dye saturated steam from the boiler through the steam stop valve, Now this is the SB. SB means smoke box. The flue gases passes through the horizontal flue tube to the box. This box is called smoke box. Through this box, flue gases escape into the atmosphere through the chimney. C is the chimney. The function of chimney is to discharge flue gases to the atmosphere at such a height and velocity that minimize the pollution. Now, working of Cochran boiler. The water is supplied to the boiler through feed check valve. The coal is introduced to the gate, through the fire door. The hot gases from the furnace enter the combustion chamber through this flue pipe or flue tube. The hot gases then enter into the horizontal fire tube. Here heat transfer takes place from the flue gases passes inside the horizontal tube to the water surrounding the tube. This is the water portion, this portion is water, this portion is water, this portion is steam. Okay, actually here heat transfer by convection process. The flue gases coming from fire tube, this horizontal tube, enter into the smoke box, then finally discharge to the atmosphere through the chimney. Now the ash form is collected in the AP ash pit. Okay, steam is collected through anti-priming pipe on the top of the cell. Now we learn some construction portion of the Cochran boiler. The top of the cell having hemispherical shape, hemispherical count, this is count portion. The hemispherical count of boiler give good strength to withstand pressure of steam inside the boiler. Okay, here the hemispherical shape of the furnace can withstand high heat, this hemispherical shape, and is also useful to increase radiant heat from the furnace to the hemispherical wall. Okay, the furnace and combustion chamber are connected. This short pipe, this is called flue tube. Okay, in Cochran boiler various mountings are used. Number 1, water level indicator. Number 2, safety valve. Number 3, steam stop valve. Number 4, blow off cock or valve. Number 5, manhole, this is manhole. Number 6, pressure gauge. Okay, now we learn specification of Cochran boiler, cell diameter equal to 2.75 meter, height of the boiler 5.75 meter, heating surface area, total heating surface area 120 meter square, working pressure of the boiler 6.5 bar, steam capacity of the boiler 3500 kg per hour, efficiency of the boiler 70 to 75%. Now, advantages of Cochran boiler. Number 1, it requires less floor area. Low initial cost. Number 2, low initial cost. Number 3, easy to operate and handle the boiler. Number 4, transportation is easy. Number 5, quick and easy installation. Number 6, any type of fuel can be used. Maybe wood, maybe coal, maybe gas. Okay. Now, disadvantages of Cochran boiler. Number 1, steam rising capacity is less due to vertical design. Number 2, thermal efficiency of the boiler is poor. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.